it's... Ano? Tingin lang dyan. Good morning.
I really have been in Poland. I remember.
You
I just
have.
forgot when.
It's hot in your...
I forgot the rest of. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. He's rubbing stuff on my back.
Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay.
I haven't done this before. First time.
I never touched a woman before.
Virgin. Oh my-
Virgin.
I have, what do you call it?
Back. First time with a woman.
Oh my god.
Talaga honeymoon. Lover spotted. Cheating. And then naging kami kasi kami lang magkasama nung retreat. So cool. Ay. Cute, cutesy. Dali, cute. Okay, get ready with us. Ready with us. To Calarega. Calarega. Ganda. Tour.
I got the church in
Try it.
What's that?
It's espresso.
It tastes like rice base.
Ang hirap kasi pag wala tayong blower. Alam mo
Actually, yung hair ko,
ruined
like,
na yung
ruined.
buhok mo. Kala mo naman, bakasyonista.
Aww. Uy! Sumama siya!
Oh my god.
Hello, sama ka? Sama ka? Saka no? Uy, oh, may bago siyang pet, oh. Okay, I'll follow you, doggy. Pagod na.
Oh, he disappeared.
Hala, ang ganda. Girl, ang ganda. We were down there. Yeah, kasi early 4 ako eh. Wow. Take a breath, pull me close, and take one step.
Ay, baba ko? Kung gusto niyo lang naman. Kasi gusto ko lang ma-feel yung breeze.
We're going to Tagaytay na ulit. Ever Queen.
Passenger princess.
Red.
Sorry.